Edwards from Funneltopia here, and in this video I want to quickly show you how to save certain elements from your email so you can reuse them as kind of like preset templates in other future emails. Let's say you have some sort of a section in an email that you want to repeat in every single email that you do, or maybe multiple sections in different points. Obviously you can do that with the email templates, right? But this is for specific sections. Let's say just the top part or like a signature in your email, and it needs to be like a specific way, or maybe you have like different versions of it. So yeah, let's go to, in this case, let's go to email campaigns. I just have like an existing one. Make sure it's the drag and drop version. I don't think it worked for any other version. Yeah, but don't quote me on that. And then yeah, this is just, let's just do this. Let's just clear it up a little bit. Different ways to do it. So the first version is, let's just say you have some sort of a signature, right? So you just put in your name, right? And there's like a I don't know, company name, right? So you can save some sort of a, let's say you have like an image and some other cool stuff. You have like your signature element that you want to add to every single email that you do from now on, right? So once you're finished with this specific one single element, right, then you can click on the save icon over here, and then it's going to save. Let's go to saved items, right? And over here you can see it's here. I would suggest renaming it right away to something that, let's say if you just think of it as, let's say you have 50 elements over, the next couple of years, you have 50, you don't want to scroll through every time you want to get to that element. So since this is a signature, right, I'll do signature. So I'm going to make it easy on my, kind of on my future self. Once I come in and this is buried like under 30 other elements, I'm just going to go in, type in signature, right? And it's just going to be easier, right? It's just going to pop up here. So you can do that for like this one element. You can also do it for a whole section like this, right? You can add in more elements. You can add in image elements. I don't know, add in whatever else, other stuff. Let's just add in, I don't know, whatever else we would want to add in. Let's just do, this is a bad example, but let's say we have a whole section, not a whole email, just like a section, I don't know, on like a weekly newsletter, for example, right? And we have a specific template just to be consistent, which is kind of, to me, especially, it's kind of really important, just keeping a consistent branding, not only when it comes to your pages and website, but also to your emails, right? So people click on it, they immediately can relate, they recognize your branding. And I think it's good to keep, kind of consistency. And yeah, you can do it for this whole thing, right? You build it out, and then over here, you can save it, right? And then once it saves, it actually takes you automatically to the elements that you don't even have to click. But yeah, you go to the saved items later on as well. And over here, it saves. And then, you can rename it again, or you can delete it. You can do all that stuff as well. So in this case, I'm going to delete it because it looks awful. If you have any questions about this, about the saving elements, anything email related, anything else, anything Funneltopia related, you can click on down below, 24/7 chat support, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.